Importing material. Alright, we start importing the material. Import methods. Firstly, we can double-click on any available space in the project panel. The import window is opened. Then we find the needed file and click Open. At the same time, the file itself is not copied anywhere, but a link is established between the project and this media source. I mean, Premiere just knows where it lies. If we move or delete the file itself, Premiere will lose it. You can also import the entire folder. All media sources are downloaded, and the folder is automatically created for them. Secondly, we can open the media sources folder, choose the necessary file and drag and drop it to the project. When transferring, the caption copy appears, but in fact it's not. It just sets a link to the selected materials. The first technologically advanced method is the media browser, which is located next to the project panel. On the media browser, we see all files that is on the hard disk. It's not correct to edit videos from it. In the same way, we search for the desired file, plus we can view materials in the form of icons. We have the icons that switch list mode and window mode at the bottom of the project panel and media browser. In the window mode, you can view the video without sound by sweeping the clip icon, or with sound by clicking on the video and pressing the spacebar. The spacebar is the play button. Video playback in this form is called hover scrub. All panel menus and settings are located in the drop-down icon to the right of media browser. Also, if it's necessary, you can increase the scale of these windows using the lower slider and view your sources more rigorously. As soon as we have selected the video that we want to import, we click on it with the left mouse button and then choose Import. What is the difference between Media Browser and other import methods? Media Browser can expand complex formats. For example, we have a RAW format. When we look into this folder via Media Browser, we will see the ready-made clips with sound. But if we click on the right mouse button and select Reveal to Explorer, we will see that these clips look like a system of contents, service files, audio, video, voice, proxy, etc. So, if you import videos using the first two methods, then this whole folder structure will be imported. That is very inconvenient, because we need the ready-made clips to work. When we import via Media Browser, we will have the ready-made videos combined with sound and other camera settings. It's better to import via Media Browser, because we have the ability to see how it will be in the result.